In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use dynamic filters in Airtable. Dynamic filters let you narrow your view to exactly the records you care about so you can focus, analyze, and make decisions faster. We'll set up a clear, effective filter together, and I'll explain what each option means so you know why you're choosing it. Start by going to Airtable in your browser. Once it loads, open the app or base you want to work with. This brings you into your tables and views where all of your records are displayed. Now, look for the filter option at the top of your view and select it. This opens the filter panel. Think of this as your control center for deciding what appears in the grid. As you change settings here, the records on the screen will update right away. You may see a prompt inviting you to describe what you want to see. You can type a simple phrase like, show items where status contains complete, and Airtable will build a condition for you. This is helpful if you prefer plain language. If you'd rather be precise from the start, use the button in the panel to add a condition manually. Choose Add Condition. A new rule line appears that begins with the word where. This line has three parts: the field you want to look at, the operator that defines how to compare, and the value you want to match. You'll fill these in from left to right. First, choose the field, often called the column, that you want to filter by. Pick the one that actually holds the information you care about, such as status, category, or team, so the filter targets the right data. Next, open the operator menu and select Contains. Operators tell Airtable how to evaluate the field. Contains is ideal for text when you want to match part of a word or phrase. Note that different field types show different operators. For example, dates might offer as on or as after, so contains works best for text-based fields. Finally, type the value you want to find. As you type, the view updates immediately, hiding records that don't meet your rule and keeping the ones that do. Enter the value exactly as it appears in your data to avoid missing matches due to spelling or spacing. That's the core of using dynamic filters in Airtable. Open the filter panel, add a condition, choose the field, pick contains, and enter your value. With that, your view becomes focused, relevant, and ready for action.